What if I told you your car has 5 hidden sensors silently killing your fuel economy right now? Sensors so important that when they get just a little dirty, your MPG can drop by 20 to 40%, and dealerships will never mention them unless you're paying for extra diagnostics. Most drivers have never even heard of these sensors, but today you're going to understand exactly what they do, how they get dirty, the symptoms they cause, and how a simple cleaning or replacement can instantly restore lost mileage. Let's start with the most common culprit, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. If your MPG is suddenly terrible, the MAF sensor is the first place to look. This sensor measures how much air enters your engine so the computer can mix the correct amount of fuel. But over time, dust, oil vapors, and dirt coat the sensor wire. When that happens, the engine thinks it's getting less air than it actually is, so it dumps in extra fuel. The result? Poor mileage, rough acceleration, hesitation at low speeds, and black soot around the tailpipe. So, dealerships rarely clean MAF sensors unless you specifically ask them to because, well, they often suggest a full replacement instead. It's honestly an easy way to charge you a few $100s, but a simple cleaning with the proper MAF spray often restores lost MPG instantly. Number 2. The upstream O2 sensor. This one is even more dangerous for your wallet. Modern engines really rely heavily on the oxygen sensors, especially the upstream one that's located before the catalytic converter. This sensor checks how rich or lean your engine is running, but when it gets slow, contaminated, or just worn out, it sends the wrong data to the engine computer. A tired O2 sensor can easily kill 10 to 25% of your fuel economy. And you won't always get a check engine light either. Sometimes it's just weak gas mileage, that weird egg smell from your exhaust, jerky shifting, or even higher RPMs than normal. Dealers love ignoring this one because honestly, a failing O2 sensor doesn't always show clear diagnostic codes. But, you know, a simple replacement can totally transform performance and miles per gallon overnight. So, number 3. The MAP sensor, or manifold absolute pressure sensor. Most drivers don't even know they have this sensor, which is kinda wild. The MAP sensor measures engine load, basically how hard your engine is working. But, if it gets clogged with carbon or oil vapors, it starts feeding inaccurate data, which is definitely not good. What happens next? Well, the engine assumes it needs more fuel than it really does, and your miles per gallon just plummets. A bad MAP sensor also causes poor idle, weak acceleration, random stalling, and, yeah, those unexpected surges that can really throw you off. Cleaning it takes just minutes, costs almost nothing, and can instantly restore smoother driving and better fuel economy. Number 4. The intake air temperature sensor, or IAT. Yes, the small temperature sensor in your intake matters more than you think. This sensor monitors the temperature of incoming air so the engine can adjust fuel delivery. But, when it gets coated with residue, it misreads the temperature, tricking the engine into running a richer mixture. Even a small misreading can kill mileage, especially in hot climates. Symptoms include sluggish acceleration, hard warm starts, and reduced highway miles per gallon. Dealerships rarely touch the IAT sensor because they assume it, never fails. But honestly, dirt buildup alone is enough to make it inaccurate. The 5th sensor is the throttle position sensor, or TPS. This sensor tracks the exact angle of your throttle plate. If the TPS gets worn or sticky, your engine won't know how much fuel to send when you accelerate. So the computer compensates by adding extra fuel just in case, and your MPG really tanks. A failing TPS shows up as slow throttle response, random RPM jumps, poor shifting in automatics, and yeah, just terrible city mileage. Most mechanics don't check the TPS unless you complain about stalling or jerking, but small sensor errors can quietly drain your fuel long before major symptoms appear. So, why do these sensors kill your MPG without any warning? Well, because each sensor relies on precision, even just a tiny bit of dirt or some age-related wear causes incorrect readings. And, those incorrect readings lead to a rich mixture, meaning your engine dumps in extra fuel. That's pretty much why your car can feel totally normal, yet burn way more gas than necessary. Now, how do you protect your MPG? The good news: you don't need dealership visits, expensive parts, or complicated tools. Simply, clean your MAF sensor every 8 to 12 months, inspect O2 sensors every 60,000 miles, clean the MAP and IAT sensors regularly, and check TPS readings if your throttle feels sluggish. These small steps can instantly restore lost mileage and improve performance. If this helped, consider subscribing to GearSpecs. We've already completed our watch time requirement, and your subscription will help us reach monetization faster, which directly supports the channel and helps me manage my college expenses while continuing to make helpful videos for you. Your support genuinely means a lot.